I'd like to show you how the definition of radians came about. We're going to start by constructing a circle around the point F, and on that we're going to put a point B, and we're going to create a line tangent to the circle at B, and on that I'm going to place a point D, and from B to D I'm going to highlight that segment. What we're going to do is we're going to create a line segment that is 1 radius long. It looks like on the right hand side that I'm clicking radians, but that's going to turn out to be the same. So I'm going to make that segment 1 radius long. And I'm going to create a slider, and I'm going to use the slider to wrap that segment along the circle. That sector from that point to F to B has an arc length of 1 radius. The angle from B to F to this point is 1 radian. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 radiuses, or 2 radians, and I'm going to move the point D up to 2 radiuses, and I'm going to use the slider to wrap that segment along the circle. That arc length is 2 radiuses. The angle from B to F to this point here is 2 radians. If you consider the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, if I want to use radiuses as my unit, all I need is 2 pi radiuses, or 2 pi radians, to wrap all the way around the circle. Let's see if that happens. We'll select over here multiples of pi, and in this particular case we're going to use 2 pi radians. We're going to move the point D to that length, and I'm going to wrap that around the circle, and it comes out exactly 1 circumference. We can choose multiples. In this case we'll use 5 over 4, that multiples of pi, and we'll move the point D down to that point, and here is the point at 5 pi over 4 radians. So that's where the definition of radians comes, and I hope that helps.